how are you doing today? This is Charles, California. I'm excited to open these boxes for you guys. It is an unboxing videos from Charles, California. The first one is from my co-workers. They're so sweet. And then this one, I already opened all this stuff, but I'm going to unbox it to you guys because it's more fun that way, right? So this is it. So let's see what they have for me. This reminds me of going back home again and my childhood. So they gave me this is a honey. So it says honey milk chocolate. It's peanut bars actually, and it's made in the Philippines. So that's honey. This one, it kind of like remind me of going back home. And then choc-nut, the famous choc-nut. It's kind of like the same thing as the honey, but it's a peanut milk chocolate, and then it's real good. It's kind of like reminding me really of going back home. And then because they really know me, how are you not gonna like chocolate and marshmallow together, right? So they gave me a chocomallows. So yeah, this one is there's a 6 chocolate covered marshmallow biscuits. So they're so sweet in doing so. So yeah, thank you. And then this one is kind of like there's something behind it, because I always see this during holidays and Valentine's Day. My dad always gives this to my mom. So this one is called Curly Tubs. So it's just a simple chocolate, milk chocolate cups. Because my mother likes this one, and I do too because I'm a chocolate type of guy. So yeah, so thank you very much for all this. Look at that, they're gonna make me fat. And then it's not even a keto diet. So stay tuned on that I'm going to gain more pounds this season. And this is gonna be a fun one because I already have seen it and he really knows me well. Anyway, so we'll open it, and then I have poo-pourri. Poo-pourri is, yes, you already know what it is. Leave the toilet smelling better than you found it. Poo-pourri. Poo-pourri. So this one is, before you go, you're going to spray it on the toilet bowl, and so it will smells like citrus, it smells like lavender, it will smell like spiced apple, and then so yeah, this is the key, poo-pourri. and then the last one in this box is the ancestry DNA. There you go. There's the ancestry DNA. Probably we're going to find out if I'm related to Queen Elizabeth. Who knows, right? We'll find out. I will make a video for that with you guys. So let's see what's gonna happen. And then this is my first time to have this one. That's interesting. And then I will walk you through it, and then we'll do it together. So from here. So what's inside the box? Because I do love taking videos. Most of the part that I really like is the editing part of it. So yeah. Anyway, this one has the, oh my god, it's the GoPro Fusion 360 degrees. So this one, it's kind of like there's a lens in front of the camera, and then there's lens in the back. Wow, see? So that's that, lens in front, and then lens on the back part of it. So it's so nice, huh? So that's that. So that's the GoPro Fusion. So this one is good for vlogging, for adventures and stuff. I don't know if we're gonna be able to use this one to do my videos, my unboxing videos. Probably not, but I will use this one for my vlogging or vlogging. and then when I go to adventures, and stuff like that, I will able to use this. So keep on watching that. And then in the box, we have the 3-way GoPro grip tripod. That's a special one, huh? So that I have that one. I can attach that one on here. And then, oh, this is so sweet. I got a remote too. So there's a remote control on this one, so it would be easy to manage. Thank you very much. And then, because this particular one needs to have 2 SD cards because there's 2 lenses from the back and from the front. So that's why. So that's why what's gonna happen on that one. So let's see, and then how's that gonna work. So for this one, it says here that it does have 18 MP. It does use a 5.2K, not 4K anymore, because the Hero 7, the Hero 5 sessions, the one that I have that used for vlogging, that one uses 4.0K. This one uses 5.2K. So let's see how's the resolution, how's the pixels on this one. And then this one is voice controlled one, so you can just tell that GoPro turn on, GoPro turn off, and stuff like that. And then the good thing about this is that it does have a GPS, so I can track this one wherever it is if I'm going to lose this one. And then of course it has the 360 degrees. So yeah, it says there. And then over capture, which is, I don't know what does that mean, but we will find it out. What does the over capture meant? And then this is also water resistant. So let's see how deep it's not gonna be stunting. But I'm so excited to use this one. So this is what I'm going to use for my vlogging or vlogging, the one that they call it. So thank you for all the love, and thank you for all the gifts that you have given me. And then I really wanted to share it with you guys, to unbox it with you guys. Thank you. I will see you again in the next video. This is Charles, California. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. Hit the notification button so you will be informed with my new videos that's gonna be out. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye.